Welcome to another video walk around here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we'll be taking a look at this 2017 Toyota Highlander with some great exterior features that include roof rails, 18-inch wheels, and 3M film protection. Entering the vehicle, we have our key with our lock and unlock. Taking a first look inside, you've got black Softex interior. This Highlander also comes equipped with a power moonroof, power seat adjustments, and all-weather floor mats. Taking a seat in the vehicle and looking at the steering wheel, on the left side here we have our audio and phone controls. On the right you've got Toyota Safety Sense and your cruise at the bottom. This Highlander comes with 75,000 kilometers. Over in the middle on your touchscreen, you've got your AM/FM radio along with your Bluetooth phone connection, navigation, and a backup camera. Right below that, you have your dual zone climate controls. Down at the bottom here, you have outlets along the back. You also have your snow mode. And behind our gear shifter, you have your heated seat dials. Taking a look at the second row seats, you've got two fold-out cup holders. You also have separate climate controls on the back of your center console with two outlets at the bottom and storage pouches in each of the seat backs. For access to the third row, all you have to do is lift up on this tab here, and the seat will fold and slide forward. This Highlander also comes equipped with a power liftgate. Once that's open, you can see we still have a bit of storage space with the third row seats folded up, but if you're hauling larger items or just need the extra room, the third row easily folds down. To close the liftgate, you could use the button on your key fob again, but there's also an additional button on the top of the liftgate itself. Thank you for watching our video walk around on this 2017 Toyota Highlander with some great interior features that include heated seats, navigation, and tri-zone climate controls. We are located at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.